guys, what's up? Welcome to my office. Today I want to show you guys what it looks like when you don't have an air filter at home. So I have an air filter here. So I have a filter inside that was inside 6 months ago. We're going to replace it with a new one. But I'm going to show you what it looks like. Can you come closer? What it looks like after 6 months. Oh shit. So this is what it looks like after. Can you see it?
Yeah.
So this is an air filter from 6 months ago, from June 2017. On the left side, the one. On the right side is the new one. Whoa. This is inside the room. So this is what you inhale after like 6 months. That's what your lungs look like. So here. So I'm gonna pop in the new one. Alright, that's it.